Hey guys, and welcome back to another King's Facts video. Yes, this is the same drink that I did the last video with. I'm doing this straight after because I thought that it was about do black holes explode if they eat too much, part 1. So I just, like in that video I said next I'm going to try and explain what black holes are. So here I am explaining what black holes are and how they form. I basically said it last episode, but it wasn't too exact, and I just said neutron stars. I think I really need to get something like Google out just to do these videos, because I can't be like not knowing what that is, but I'm pretty sure it's that. Then they explode into a black hole, as you know. It's basically where the star explodes, that there's enough, then that creates so much force that it forms a black hole, which basically pulls in everything around it if it gets past the point of no return. So they are actually pretty safe. They're not like sucking in the whole universe. This is the black hole. I'm not like billions of light years away, and I start flying over to it. I'm getting sucked in. Help me! That's not going to happen, is it? So we know that it's not going to one day destroy the universe, is it? Because it only pulls in things after the point of no return. I'm not going to be talking about what happens if you go in it. I slightly mentioned it in the last episode of this black hole thing, but yeah, I'm not gonna, because it's a bit there, and it's a bit. I don't want to mention it in this one, but then you go into the middle, and all that is. I can't. Okay, I'm allowed to say it this episode. I really don't want to keep saying that you get stretched out, it's called spaghettification, and then you go into a black hole and get squashed infinitely small. Well, not infinitely small, as I tried to say in the last episode, because I actually voted right in a live stream I was watching about black holes. My mum told us to do it, but yeah, it is over 99.9% of you. You can be squashed more than 99.9% of you because of how much space there is in one atom. But once that's but that singularity can hold like a couple, like that singularity is basically like tiny. Like I'm putting so much force on my fingers right now, it actually hurts, and that's still not as tiny as a singularity. I'm not sure about this, so don't take this as a fact, but I'm pretty sure that it spins. I'm not sure, so don't take that as a fact, and I don't want to talk about it this episode because I'm not sure. I'm only going to talk about things that I'm sure about. I have to drink that so much, don't I? But anyway, a black hole usually isn't that dangerous, because it's only the point of no return that you're gonna get sucked in. And I'm just saying this now, a black hole isn't anywhere near us. The sun will never be a black hole, so don't worry about us just being sucked into a black hole. There isn't any that could possibly suck us up in the next couple million to billion to trillions of years. Well, probably that long, because, well, not trillions, because I don't want to say that guaranteed, but I know that the universe has been a thing for billions of years. Pretty sure it's over 500 billion years. Why don't I just get my book of facts about the universe? That would make them most sense. Because I've got like whole pages about black holes. I'm just going to come back with that book if I can find it. I am old and I don't need Google. I need. This is really long, so no, that's birth. I usually look at Birth of the Universe because I like that page. No, that. A lot of them are just the death of a star. Black holes, page 230. This is even better than cake, isn't it? I'm sure that at least one of you will have seen that advert. This is black holes. So, let me read my book, put a bit of more cleverness into my brain. A black hole is possibly the strangest object in the universe. I did know that. Thank you for telling me that. It is a region of space where matter has collapsed in on. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, I got it a bit wrong earlier, but it has collapsed in on itself. This results in a huge amount of mass being concentrated in a very small area. The gravitational pullback of a black hole is so strong nothing can escape from it, not even light. Light goes it goes, I think, like hundreds of millions of miles per second. So, supermassive black holes. They have a ring of dust and gas, a jet of radiation at the bottom and top. I know what a supermassive black hole is. It's a big black hole. There's usually one at the center of each galaxy, and that just proves how strong it is. I'm pretty sure it can actually hold together a galaxy, because why would there be one at the center of every galaxy for no reason? But that's just proving how strong it is. So, it's stellar mass black holes. This type of black hole forms when a heavyweight star about 10 times heavier than our sun ends its life in a supernova. I don't know why they had to write ends its life. I think that they could have wrote blew up, because I don't like the phrase ends its life in a supernova explosion. What is left of the star collapses into an area only a few kilometers across. A stellar mass black hole is most easily found when it has a companion star that survives the explosion. Material is often pulled off this star and forms a disk swirling around the black hole. Experts can then calculate black hole's mass and orbit. That's actually quite clever. Well done, scientists. You're very clever. But that's actually basically the whole page. No, is it the whole page? It says, I'm not sure if it's on that whole page, but more depth, that's not other. solar system. No, I don't want extreme stars. Okay, that is the only page. All the matter that falls into a black hole piles up at a single point in the center called the singularity. That's nice to know. If two black holes collided, they would cause gravity waves to ripple throughout the whole universe. But because the universe is getting bigger, when you think about it, it would basically be impossible for it to go throughout the whole universe, because every time it but once me and my friend had a theory that it would blow up. It does really badly. That's why it caused if that happened, it would probably do it. It would feel like an earthquake as big as the Earth. It would feel like an earthquake as big as the Earth if it was close enough. So to turn the Earth into a black hole, it would have to be squashed to the size of a marble. Yeah. This has just given me the idea of going up and getting something. But my next video is going to be about the stupid theory that me and my friend had. I don't know if it, we had a theory. I bet it's not true. But hope you enjoyed today's video on my facts channel, and bye.